Hey everybody, it's the Diva and I'm back. Welcome to my mukbang. So today your girl have a seafood boil in Alfredo sauce. We got eggs, we got potatoes, some tiny potatoes. We got corn and shrimp. I could never remember what I have, y'all. I could never remember what I'm eating. And also I have lobster, guys. We have lobster today. And you know your H2O is in the house. The hint, today's flavor is blueberry and lemon. Guys, let me tell y'all. This smells so good. It smells good. It smells so good. That was so refreshing. I went to the beach today. So, you know, the sun just took up everything out of me. Do you see how tiny these potatoes are? They are so tiny. Let me start with a potato. This lobster tail is staring me in the face, guys. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Oh, let me do it this way. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Look at that, y'all, look at that. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it. Nice. Oh my God. This is on a whole different level of delicious. I messed up my shirt. This lobster tail is so huge. I don't know if I could eat anything else after this. Guys, this is great. Good. I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh. I think this video is done now. We could done. That was awesome. That was so good. Let's try a shrimp. Ooh. Can you see the steam coming out of this thing? Oh my God. So I went to the beach today, y'all. I love the beach, by the way. I want to tell you how my day went, but oh my God. So good. So good. Oh my God. So, I was saying, I went to the beach today. The water felt so good. I enjoyed it. And now I'm loving this. This is a perfect day for me. Oh my gosh. Have you guys tried the hint water as yet? Comment down below, let me know. It is so refreshing. Delish, delish, delish. So, I'm in the water, chilling, talking to my friends, on a noodle, just chilling out. And then I felt something touch my feet. You know your girl went scraping. I ain't playing that. I did know what it was. It felt like a fish. I'm sure it was a fish, but you know, your girl ain't playing that. And out the water I went. Guys, hit water is great. This seafood boil is the bomb. Let me eat a corn. I'm getting full. That lobster tail did it, y'all. It did it. Look here, look at my corn, look at my corn. Mm. 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 Guys, this was so good. This was like, I need to do seafood boils in Alfredo sauce more often. Definitely. Mm. Do we have, I think I got one more shrimp. You know when something is so good, but you're full, you want to stop, but you can't stop. Mm. Mm. Oh my God. Okay, I got one more lobster tail, 3 potatoes, a corn, and an egg. And that's it for your girl today. That lobster tail was delicious. Oh my God. Guys, I'm not gonna keep you today. You know the usual. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit on the like, share, and subscribe. Hit on the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a video. Don't forget to check me out on TikTok and Instagram. And this was so good. I'm so satisfied, y'all. I'm gonna sleep good tonight with the beach and such an awesome meal. This is definitely doing the job. But until next time, guys, see you soon. Bye.